Namaste and welcome to today's mindfulness technique for your child to do at home. We love to use chimes in classes, and these are called zynergy chimes, and it's a wonderful way to help a child meditate or to make them focus on the sound of the chime versus other things going on around them. So we're going to do a simple game that we play with the children, a mindfulness technique, where when we strike the chime, they're going to raise their hand and keep your hand up as long as you can hear it vibrating. When you can no longer hear it, we're going to strike again, and you're going to raise your hand again until you can no longer hear it, and you'll place your hand down. And this works even better if you close your eyes. So let's try together. Close your eyes and just raise your hand when you hear the chime. When you can no longer hear it, you place your hand down. Here we go. Remember, hand comes down when you can't hear it anymore. Keep your eyes closed if you can. And that is our chime meditation for today. Namaste. Have a great yoga day.